So, let's now talk about problem 3-15. So, ang tinatanong sa atin dito, prime cost. Pero actually, I doubt kung tama ba yung tanong ng problem. Feeling ko tinatanong niya is direct cost. Anyway, okay, let's start. So, yung problem is about an advertising agency using a job costing system. Mas magiging familiar tayo sa job costing system sa mga susunod na chapter. Okay? So, ngayon, itong job na to, maliban sa gumastos ng materials and expenses, syempre gumastos ng labor, tas may overtime. So, ang tanong, magkano daw yung prime cost for this job? Okay, so, let's start. Kumpitin muna natin magkano yung direct labor for this job, no? Direct labor at the normal hours, okay? So, sabi kasi, gumamit daw ng 1,020 hours para sa job na to. So, yung lahat ng 1,020 hours na yan is attributable to this job. So, chargeable sa job na to, sa client. So, computin muna natin yung normal payment for these hours, no? So, yung 1,020, nandyan yung pati yung overtime, no? Kasi pag natin yung 1,020, lumalabas yan is 900 na normal shift at saka ano bang 1,000? May calculate ko. Wait lang 1,020 less 120, 900. So, 900 na regular shift, 120 na overtime. Ngayon, yung lahat ng 1,020 hours ay attributable sa job na to. So, lahat ng 1,020 hours na normal payment will be part of direct labor of this job. So, magkano yung direct labor based on normal rate, no? Yung wala pang overtime. So, 1,020 hours multiplied by the normal rate per hour na $24. So, that will give you the total labor cost for normal hours, no? Normal rate na 24,480. Continuing the analysis, meron kasi tayong 120 hours na overtime, pero hindi lahat yon chargeable sa client. Kasi, 1/3 lang or 40 yung ni-request ng client. So, pag ganon, yung premium para sa 40 hours, yun lang yung i-charge mo sa client. No? Yung 80, bagamat hindi sinabi ng problem, baka ang dahilan is mismanagement or inefficiency natin, internal sa company. So, pagka ganun, hindi mo yun pwede i-charge sa client. So, ang i-charge mo lang na overtime premium sa client ay para dun sa hours na siya mismo yung nag-request. So, sabi sa problem, dun sa 120 hours, 1/3 daw ang ni-request ni client. So, yun yung i-charge mo. 40 hours, magkano yung premium dyan? Multiplied by premium per hour. $24 times 25%, no? Kasi sinabi naman sa problem, premium is 25%. So, 6. So, 40 times 6, total overtime premium chargeable to client is, excuse me, $240. Isasama mo dyan yung kinumpute natin dun sa naunang slide na total labor cost based on normal rate na 24,480, no? Yung 1,020 hours na normal rate nun, chargeable yun sa client. Plus, direct materials na 5,500. So, ang total prime cost is 30,220. Actually, wala siya sa choices, no? Kaya siguro ang tinatanong talaga nito baka ay total direct cost, no? Kasi, pag sinama natin dito sa prime cost, yung 14,500 na direct expenses, you will get total direct costs and expenses of 44,720, which is letter C.